The Legrand OnQ 17-inch media enclosure is a thoughtfully designed solution for those looking to streamline their home entertainment systems by organizing audio-visual components and structured wiring neatly behind the wall. It's not just a decorative addition, but works hard to keep clutter at bay while ensuring maximum functionality at the point of use. This media enclosure stands out with its optimized in-wall storage capability, purpose-built to house and distribute various wiring setups and AV components. Whether you have a complex home theater system or a simple media setup, this enclosure is engineered to work effectively with both, ensuring that cables remain organized and hidden away from view. A major highlight is its versatile mounting compatibility. It's compatible with a wide range of TV wall mounts, including the premium offerings from Spacious. This feature allows for flexible placement options behind your television, meaning you can safely install your media console without compromising on the aesthetics of your living space. Device support is another compelling advantage. The enclosure is designed to accommodate popular devices including the Samsung One Connect box, Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and other third-party structured wiring components. This ensures that the enclosure not only fits seamlessly with your current setup, but also offers room for future upgrades. The design includes a removable mounting plate that raises your devices by 1.5 inches to accommodate larger equipment and improve the overall functionality. Combined with its convenient split cover design, installation becomes a breeze, allowing for easy access to stored devices even when the cover is partially in place. These features collectively enhance both user experience and installation efficiency. Manufactured in the USA with Wi-Fi transparent materials, the enclosure is particularly well suited for organizing wireless components and AV devices without interfering with signal reception. As with any product, there are pros and cons. On the plus side, the design is highly intuitive, versatile in mounting, and provides excellent organization for complex setups. However, some users might find that the split cover design, although practical, requires careful handling during installation to ensure that all components remain secure. When compared with similar products in the market, the Legrand OnQ media enclosure excels in its clean design and dedicated focus on in-wall installation. It offers an excellent blend of practicality and aesthetics. For best results, ensure that all cables and devices are carefully measured prior to installation. Additionally, taking the time to familiarize yourself with the mounting options can help maximize the enclosure's potential. Overall, the Legrand OnQ 17-inch media enclosure is highly recommended for anyone seeking an organized, efficient, and sleek way to manage home networking and entertainment systems. It is especially beneficial for tech enthusiasts and those with elaborate wired setups who value both functionality and style.